Hey everybody! So I finally got this Halloween group build done, and so this will be the final. Did the monsters living room, and it was a fun kit. It was a nice challenge. I do have a couple other monsters kits. I do have the monsters house, and then I have the coach and the Dragula. So I'll probably put these all together on the shelf together. So if you watched my last video, you'll know I have it so I have lights in it, so it is battery operated. Let's see if I turn off a light or two. So there you can kind of see the TV lighting up, the fireplace lighting up, and then the two candles on the fireplace. They do flicker, the TV does change colors. This will look good with my other Halloween group builds. They are lit up as well. So if we zoom in and show some detail, there's Grandpa and Lily and Eddie. Yeah, he's got his little woof stuffed animal. There is Herman. And then you got the true rabbit ears there. There in the background you can see the mouse hole and the one mouse sitting there. And then that one there is wanting a belly rub. I think the carpet turned out pretty good. I just dry brushed that. When I did that, I masked off this edge of the wood floor. So I masked that all off because I had the wood floor done first. So then I did that and just dry brushed it. I think that turned out really good. It's a nice clean crisp edge. I added this. This is the cable to the TV. And that goes, made it like it's so plugged into the wall. You kind of can see it there by his foot. And that is the actual wiring that goes into the back. So it comes out here, and I got it spliced into all the others. This white stuff is Magic Sculpt. It's a 2-part clay. And I just usually use that just to hold everything in. It gets really nice and hard. It's super easy to work with. But it does hold everything in very well. It's very sticky at first, and then it'll harden up overnight. You can actually paint it as well, so it works pretty well for all that. Nice back view through the seats that you won't get to see very often. But I'm really happy with this. Oh, let me zoom in up top. That way you can see the bat. There's a bat up there, hanging out with Grandpa. And I did the black wings and brown body. So, there's that. So, very happy with the way it turned out. very happy with the way the group build turned out. A lot of people joined and participated. I do plan on doing this again next year, so hopefully I can get even more people next year. So it'll be the same rules. It'll probably be 2 months long, but it would be anything Halloween themed. You can even create something that's Halloween themed, just like this one. So, but thank you everybody. Let me know what you think. And until next time, have a good one and happy Halloween. Bye.